Good morning and welcome back. It's Saturday, racing again from Huntington racecourse. It's an old location that we used to go up to before we moved to Decoy Lakes. Well, we've decided to go back to Huntington. It's about 174 miles, roughly, to my loft. They were up at 10 to 7, so Group 2 went up 6:30 and then we went up at 6:50. So we're thinking on the wind it was a light westerly down there, but it's up here it's quite a blustery westerly. So we're thinking around about 10 past, quarter past 10. So 3 hours 15-ish, maybe 3 hours 20-ish, depending on the wind. But we'll see. Like you say, I'll turn you around, but it's not the best of days. You see it? It's quite blustery, as you can see by the trees. So we might have a little issue getting birds down today. We usually do on a strong west wind, but we can see. Now, as you know, as I've talked about before, these west winds, you know, it hammers us like so. At best over there, at worst there. Ideally, straight through them trees, through them houses, but that's not going to be. Right, so it's just gone 1:45. Yeah, it's just gone, so it's just 9:45. Temperature's not too high here, 21 degrees. It's very humid though. So we rained last night, and like you say, as you can see, it's very overcast. And I thought it was going to rain this morning. It was black when I came up here, 10 past 8. Right, so I'll bring you back close at the time, and take care. Right, it's been about 3 hours 14 now, which is around about what I thought. We haven't seen anything, so I've just put the camera on to get ready. So we'll see how we'll go. Going through now. Seems a bit. Three hours 14's on the money, like. Same as usual, we haven't seen anything. The skies is empty. Well, they're here. Well, they're here. There's two just dropped in for the lads in front. There's two just come over the top. But they're having the same problems as last week. So one of them's in. They're out the front, like. Still flying a second. Doing cock. Oh, come on. Where the fuck are these? What's that, 2 hours, 3 hours 15?
3 hours 20.
3 hours 20. That's what I thought, 3 hours 20. Well, I got my time right, but not our birds. I was thinking on about 3 hours 20.
Same one.
Aye. It's doing exactly the same as last week. Come on! Look at you there, Gavin. They'll come back out. Another week and it's over before it's begun. The one coming in there for an hour. Right up. Is it? That was a blue white hen of yours. The one went on the trees? Yeah, it's gone out. It would have been here by now. I was thinking for myself, I needed a one for 10 past, and that's when we needed a one, 10 past. Is one coming out, Keisha? Yeah, that's one. Gone now, gone through. Down. Number 2 coming in here, Keisha, from the east. Where are they coming from the east? That's the ears. We got them coming from over the east. The batch going through there now. Here they are. Oh, the jackdaws. There they are. Back hours for them. 2 massive batches just gone through there. Get ya? Oh, hi. You know us? Yeah, that's yours. We get mullered today. Absolutely mullered. One through there, you got another one there, yes. Why are they coming from over there? Another one coming in. This one's ours, Keisha. Yeah. Come on! Another 2. Come on! We're on there for them comeback hours. They've got about 10 in front already, and they're coming from all directions. We've had some come out the front, which we rarely get. We've got them coming back hours, which we expect, and we've got them coming out the east as well, which we never would get on a west wind. There's 4 or 5 come out the east. Won't come in here, Acacia. That's just not a swift. It's alright, it's a swift. Well, you wouldn't even think we'd even put pigeons on the transporter, did you, last night? You wouldn't think that I've put 42 pigeons on the transporter. What time is it now?
18 past.
18 past. Right. What time was them coming in?
11. 10, 11.
8 minutes ago, and we haven't got a pigeon. That's unheard of, that. Never ever been this far behind them. Gone through. I'm going to pause this now and I'll see if we can catch some coming in when they eventually turn up. Like this is painful, like absolutely painful. You know where you come from. You've just played up. You don't knackered. Come on then. Come on, get in. They dropped it in now. We've had about 5 or 6 in the last 3 or 4 minutes, but like you say, they're miles away. Where have they been? Oh well then. I'll just come back hours. But that blue-white, that's one of the blue-white pied in. She come back late last week, so she's, I mean, she's back normal time-ish. Come on. Come on, idiot. Come on. Oh well, come on. So I just turn back round after down through. Come on, come on. Right, do it. Another time in that, another week. We'll try and get them. Oh wait. Come on. Start picking now, right? You can see it. Come on, get it. Come on. I'm not dropping you. Oh, well. on, come on, come on, come on, come on. In you get. Oh, yeah. That's what they were coming like last week. Oh, in. Good boy. Everything's coming off. Really like that. Oh well. Then I'll just come back hours. You've done that fucking notebook. Oh well. That's your blue card, eh?